Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back to my YouTube channel Digital Investment Bank, the platform where we explore powerful tools, strategies and digital opportunities that help you build real income online with confidence and control. So dear viewers, in today's video we are going to show you how to create your own SMM panel in just a few minutes using a modern no code solution called Soak Panel. Before we get into details, I would request to say all my viewers, if you are new to my YouTube channel Digital Investment Bank, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. In this way you will be able to get the notifications of the further upcoming videos. So dear viewers, keep it in mind, this video is being made only for information. It must not be considered as investment advice, so do your own research before investment. Let's jump into the details of the project. Let me explain what is Soak Panel. So dear viewer, Soak Panel is a next generation platform designed to help you build a fully branded social media marketing SMM panel without writing a single line of code. You don't need a developer technical knowledge or any upfront investment. The platform is completely free to start and it only takes a small commission up to 5% from your earning once you begin generating income. This means you can launch a real online business under your own name with full control and zero risk. And here you can see that you can launch your SMM panel in just 5 minutes. 200 plus payment methods are available, and here you can get that it's also providing you 20 plus languages, and here you can check that it is providing you Paytime, Lippy, USDT, Stripe and Perfect Money and Payer and many more. And so designs are available, Simple Blue and many other classic font, and you need to just choose it. And here you can see that user panel designs are 10 plus, and here you can see that 6 ultra fast and friendly landings are available, full custom and support, create your own style, and this is amazing. And here you can see that it is giving you exclusive access to direct provider. So don't buy here, the old retailers charge you 15 per 1000, 3000% markup, and here you can see that Soak Panel is offering you direct providers that are charging $0.1 per 1000 with zero markup. Now you can buy here through the Soak Panel. Here is amazing 0% commission, and here you can see the show direct provider list is available. Don't waste your money, just make money. And here you can see the 0.00 development cost for you. We take care of all cost, powerful server and SSL certification is also included in it. And here you can check the pricing system, most fair commission system, zero if no income. They will charge you zero free start, and you don't pay for starting panel, 5% commission only on completed orders. Here you can check when you earn $120 you will fee 5%, and when you will earn $240 you will have to pay 5% fee, and when you will earn $520 you will have to pay only 5%, and when you will earn 0% $0 you will have to pay 0%. So when you earn you will pay, when you earn nothing you will pay nothing. So this offer is great, amazing. And here you can check we are trusted by thousands of users. 105k panels have been created and 84 million orders have been completed. So link has been provided, just you need to start it. So dear viewers, here is an example panel made by the Soak Panel. Here you can check to see what your SMM panel could actually look like. Check out Sotype, a live example built using Soak Panel. It's fast, professional, mobile friendly and offers a smooth customer experience with a wide range of social media services like Instagram, followers, YouTube views, TikTok likes, and many more. You can visit it right now at sochaip.com. This gives you a real world idea of how your future panel will work fully under your brand and control. So here is Sochaip, and I would suggest to all my viewers to visit sochaip.com. Here now I will explain how can you join the SOC panel. Very simple process. Go to socpanel.com, click on register and create your free account. So first of all, you will have to put your username, and then you will have to put your Gmail account, and then you will have to enter your password. After putting these information, you can successfully register your account. Very simple and very easy. Add your payment method and providers, click launch, and your branded SMM panel is live and ready for business. Now I will explain the dashboard. So dear viewers, now I will explain that after successful registration, how can you get amazing benefits. This is the dashboard of SOC panel, and here you can check. Now I will explain how SOC panel works. Once you register, you get access to powerful admin dashboard that includes. So here you can see it is include first of all orders, track and manage customer orders in real time, and then it support users, and here you can see that users are available, view, manage and organize your customers, and then you can check the providers. Top SOC panel provider, choose best of the best provider. Top is calculated by SOC panel payments. So this is a list of panels with biggest money flow. You can check that this is showing amazing figure, and here you can see that 22,000 plus, and here you can check providers connected is approximately 2000, and here you can see the services connected is 1469. So next is the payment system and its amazing offer, and here you can see set up payment system gateways like PayPal, Stripe and crypto, and here is the next is the design setting. You can choose designs of your own and you can get amazing features. So here you can check the dashboard, top SOC panel provider, and here is another amazing feature. You can check the account services. Here you can see the direct providers and ad services, and here you can check that first of all you will have to activate your account, and here you can see that to account activation you have to deposit $10 to launch panel. No charge, you can use this money to create orders. There is only start fee. After that your panel is charged from income. Deposit amount is $10. So after depositing $10 you can activate your account. So dear viewers, here you can see dashboard statistics. You can check that the days, and you can check the income, you can check the profit, you can check the commission on monthly basis, on your period basis. So dear viewers, SOC panel is one of the smartest ways to start your online business in 2025. Free, fast and fully under your control. You don't need to be a developer. You don't need to invest money upfront. All you need is the will to start. So dear viewers, SOC panel also has an active Telegram community where you can stay updated with platform news and news features, get instant support directly from the team, share experience with other panel owners, discover tips, providers and marketing strategies. It's the perfect place to learn, grow and scale your SMM panel business. I would suggest to all my viewers to be part of this community. So dear viewers, thanks for watching Digital Investment Bank, your partner in smart online earning. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you. Goodbye.